Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the Ladder app. So let's get started. So here it is very easy to use that. Okay, just go to the app. Okay, then here you can see it is a US department app. Just agree. So here you can see it, the Ladder safety app. So or Ladder safety app. Okay, you can just use it. It is very basic. You can just click on measuring tool. You can measure. You can turn on some measurement. Okay, so by this way you can do it like if I will do like this, or as you can see here, out of range, you can just measure like this. You can just do at ladder 50 you can just select your decision, selection, inspection, setup, and by this way you can do it, and it is very easy to use. Okay, if you have ladder you can just follow this step and you can do it. So if you have any question you can let me know in my comment section, and if you found this video helpful make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.